Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating and managing a dealer account on Trackofy. First, you need to go to Google and search for Trackofy.com. After landing on Trackofy.com, enter your username and password, check the terms and conditions box, then click a login to proceed. Now, the dashboard window is displayed on your screen. After that, to create a dealer account, click on Create Dealer under the User tab. Or, if you want to create a user account, click on Create User. First, I will guide you through the process of creating a dealer account. Then, fill in your personal information such as your first name, mobile number, and email. The last name and landline number fields are optional. Only the fields marked with a red star are mandatory. After filling in the required details, click Next to proceed. Next, fill in the billing information, including your company name, dealer GST number, and PAN card number. If you don't have a PAN card, enter 0000 4 times. Then, provide your address, PIN code, city, state, and country. If your permanent address is the same as your billing address, check the Same as Billing Address option. Afterward, select the plan, payment type, tax, and currency. Enter the salesperson's name and contact information, then complete the process. To view the user ID and password of the dealer you created, click on User, then select Manage Dealer.
Here you see all the dealers along with their company, contact, billing, and identification details.
Now, I will show you how to log into the dealer account. Now your dealer account is ready. After logging in, you can create a tax by navigating to the Tax section. At the top, click on Tax to proceed. Then, enter your tax name and tax percentage. After that, click Create Tax to complete the process. Next, to create a plan, enter the plan name, select the bill type, and provide the total selling amount in the selected currency. Finally, click Create Plan. Your plan will be successfully created. That's it for today. I hope this guide helped you set up your dealer account on Trackofy. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.